I'm Pam Price. This is my daughter, Sydney, and we are cooking in the DelmarvaLife kitchen today. Go ahead, tell them, Sydney.
I don't want to say call her mom. She's the best.
Well, what else can we say? Showtime!
Call our mom. She's the best. PamPriceandAssociates.com.
A sidekick 17 years in the making. Sydney Price's first gig for her mom began when she was a little girl, being one half of the duo forever known for the line, "Call our mom, she's the best." And now she is just weeks away from starting real estate classes to begin to learn the biz for herself. Can you imagine this mother-daughter power team? Well, today, you don't have to, because we've got them in the kitchen to show off their culinary skills. Ladies, thanks for being here.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
You don't just sell houses, you cook too.
Not much.
Not much, but this is going to be a good one because it's kind of a simple meal.
Right.
So what are we making today?
Garlic parm chicken
Yep.
with pasta. Mm-hmm. And it's super easy.
Super easy. I love that because you're busy all the time. And,
Right.
and Sid's about to be too once she gets into this biz. So you're going to have to, you know, have easy meals. So we got the water boiling here. We're going to put the pasta in probably soon?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Let you do that. All right, so Sid, I've got to ask. I called you Sid. Can I call you Sid?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've got to ask. Did you always know you wanted to get into real estate?
No.
Was it the commercial? No.
No, just since this past year, I've wanted to do it.
Really?
I wanted to be an attorney for the longest time, and then I kind of got the feel of being an attorney, and I did not enjoy it. So
Really?
I like the busyness of what mom does.
And of course, Pam, this is your daughter, so what do you think she brings to the table as far as her skills that's gonna make her have success?
She loves expensive things.
Oh.
And she loves to shop. So she needs to make good money. And I think she has the drive to do that. She's definitely been in the car for 17 years since she was born. That's when I got while I was on maternity leave, I got my real estate license. And so literally she has been right here the entire time.
So do you want to tell us what's going on with the crock pot?
Okay, so we have the chicken in here, and you put salt and pepper in it.
And what do we got? Just chicken breasts?
Yeah, 3 chicken breasts.
Okay.
And then you put a bottle of this Parmesan garlic sauce
Nice.
in here.
Yeah.
It cooks for 8 hours on low or 4 hours on high.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, so if you want it quicker. Nice. So you got that going in. Now, tell me, while you're putting the ingredients in, do you guys have a favorite mother-daughter memory together? Might be tough. She got milk going in now. What's this? Just sorry.
A heavy cream, and then
cream.
you fill this bottle up with it, and then you shake it up so you can get the rest out.
Oh, that makes it easy.
Yeah.
I love that. Yeah, so you have a memory? Yeah.
So the kids wanted to go on a jet ski. And I have no experience, but you know, I wanted to be that mom, and I was like, all right, let's go. So Taylor went with someone else, and I had Sydney with me, and I turned around and it flips.
You flipped a jet ski?
In the bay.
Were you the driver? You were driving?
Yes.
You flipped a jet ski?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, it was.
That's wild.
Very scary.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't sure how we were going to get on before the sharks got us, because in my mind, that's what's in the bay, right?
Naturally.
And but we survived.
Wow. Now you know you can handle. If you guys can handle flipping a jet ski together, you can certainly handle, you know.
And get back on it.
Right.
To keep moving.
Totally. Now you just filled that up again?
Yeah, just with a little bit to get the rest out.
Okay, cool. And then, cool, so you got that in there, and then you got some cheese over there?
Yeah, and then a whole bag of Parmesan. Shredded cheese.
Love that. All right, cool. Well, while you put that in, fire that right up. So then we've got all the ingredients in there. Oh, wait, there's more
and then
cheese,
the cream cheese, you want to like cube up, I guess, so it...
Yeah.
I don't know.
So this is like, this is cheese. Like this is some solid cheese.
Yes,
going into this thing.
it is not on your diet.
Not on the diet. No, and that's fine. You know, it's Friday. Let's just live it right up. Cool. All right. So we'll put that in there. We'll let our pasta cook up a little bit. Why don't we take a quick break and then we come back and we'll put this whole thing together.
Let's do it.
All right, we are back here in the DelmarvaLife kitchen. This smells amazing. We're working on garlic chicken parm with Pam and Sydney Price, the mother-daughter duo. Now this is all the chicken, the cheese, the dressing. So essentially this has cooked for 8 hours.
Right.
We're magic here on DelmarvaLife. We can make that happen.
Absolutely.
And now, so you're about to fire up this mixer
Yep.
and get it
Ready?
going. So is this gonna go wild, Pam?
I don't know.
Oh, I love that you know.
We're gonna tell you.
Oh, okay, this
right.
is good. Oh, look at that. Nice. So this really kind of gets the chicken all shredded.
Yes.
And kind of that nice. Oh. See, if I was doing this, it would be
I'm kind of
everywhere.
surprised
Yeah,
that it's
Pam, you
not.
should be really proud of yourself right now.
I am, but I'm not done yet, so that's
Yeah.
the scary part.
Sydney, has your mom ever had some wild kitchen experiences that you've seen?
Not many, because she's not in the kitchen a lot.
Ooh, she went there. That looks good. That is coming together nicely.
This is where it gets
Yeah, that's what
iffy.
you kind of have to get
Yeah.
the rest of that off. But yeah, for TV purposes, I mean, that looks great. So it really is nice and blended up.
Yep.
Yeah, and then we get that going and put the pasta in there, right?
Yeah.
Cool. And you could essentially, if you wanted to, use any kind of pasta, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
They say to do it with like the
Angel hair?
no, the oh my gosh, what's it
The
called?
noodles, like noodles, regular noodles.
Okay.
But we like macaroni. You could do
Yeah,
macaroni
yeah.
or panini or whatever. But
Oh my God.
Wow, that was nice the way you handled that. That was good.
you like that?
Now, Pam, while you're working on that, I do want to ask you about a very exciting announcement that you have, which is that you are sponsoring Doc Jam, right? So
Yes.
Doc Jam, we have talked about it on the show before. It is 2 big concerts happening in Pocomoke. One of them is May 20th. That is Roots and Boots, which is Colin Ray, Aaron Tippin, and Sammy Kershaw. And then on October 7th, that is Lone Star, which is a huge deal. So tell me a little bit about how that sponsorship came about.
The owner of Remax is friends with the event planner, and it just came up
Yeah. And you were
So-
like, I want in.
out of the blue, and it's a great thing that there are. We are very big into concerts and
Yeah.
going to concerts. We
Yeah.
love it, and I think it's awesome that they're bringing them to town. And we have Heron Ponds, and
Yeah.
we're constantly trying to think of who we can get and
Yeah.
afford to get to see if it works out.
Sure.
And so this is huge to see how it's going to go. We're
Yeah.
excited.
I can't wait. I think that's going to be awesome. And of course, if you haven't got your tickets yet, you can do so on docjam.com.
Yep.
You're a country music gal? Mm-hmm. Sid, you too? Or
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I love that. Okay, cool. So you're kind of like cutting this up a little bit.
Yeah, just to make it easier to.
Yeah.
If we were home and at the table, we would probably leave it separate and then
that
we'd
makes
just pour
sense.
it
Yeah,
on
yeah,
there.
yeah.
But because we're here, we're just
Yeah.
going to show you how it all comes together.
This is your first time cooking on DelmarvaLife, right, Pam?
It is.
And how have you felt the experience has gone?
It is amazing.
Yeah, that's good. That's good stuff. Ooh, we about ready to taste this here? Can we
Yes,
give it a go?
yes, let's do it.
Now, Pam, so I want to taste this. I'm pretty excited, but should we bring in your partner from earlier in the show?
Yes, let's do it.
Tommy?
I know he is hungry for some lunch.
I'm starving.
Tommy,
Yeah.
come on
This looks
in.
delicious.
Yeah.
Thought
Tommy, have you ever
asked.
had Pam's cooking before?
Probably.
Probably
have?
not.
Yeah, probably.
It might have been at my house, but it wasn't my
nothing
cooking.
this elaborate. This looks
Yeah,
great.
all right. Yeah, all right. Here we go.
There we are.
Yeah, we got some fork. We got a fork here.
There
Tommy's
you go.
gonna actually be the first taste tester, so this is
All
gonna
right.
be a big deal. You're gonna
Let's
taste
see.
it before I do.
Try not to get it all over the place.
Yeah. You like it?
I love it. That's delicious.
Read. Oh, look at this.
Good job, guys.
Now, guys, if this really goes well, everybody's gonna show up at your house for dinner tonight. So
Right.
you got that?
It looks like we'll have plenty.
All right, let's give this a try. I love the way it like came together and oh, it looks so nice. Oh my goodness. That is delicious.
It is so easy and good and just quick cleanup, quick getting it together and
Oh, that's
done.
what it's all about. And it just feels like, Tommy, do you feel like warm and comforted inside?
I do. It's definitely
Because
comfort
that's
food.
100%.
I'm ready for a nap now.
Oh, yeah, same. All right, Pam Price, Sydney Price, mom-daughter duo. Sydney, first of all, also I want to say good luck in your real estate classes.
Thank you.
We'll all be cheering you on. And Tommy, of course, thanks for joining us today.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.